Hey, what's up, guys? Carlos here with Bulls of Crypto. Today's review will be from Savage Baby two times. Shout out for putting in your request. She wants us to go over the key coins. So let's get down to it. So I do see that this project has made quite a bit of a consolidation and they ran at the moment. They are in a current pullback phase. They are right now at the lows. They are in the 28 areas. Ideally, I'd like for them to dip down here as a possibility in between what I call on RSI, a little liquidity pool. Once they dip in this area, that to me is a good signifier for a potential bull run. And what I mean by that is when they start to kind of dip in here, create what's called a shark fin, and then possibly move back up and trap. So that's what my eyes are telling me. This could start to be the trap already. This could be the second leg, and they could be forming and may not come down here. Ideally, I'd love for them to dip in here for a good buy signal and continue to possibly run from there. Again, that's just what my eyes are telling me right now. And I do see a possible divergence. If this does play out, I do see a possible divergence playing out in this area here. Some people say, oh, you can't cut through price for divergence. I don't I don't listen to that. I like to sometimes cut through price. If the structure is divergent, then I trade off the structure. I don't really look at the wicks. I will typically draw my divergence through the wick. The wick to me is just a trap. It's it's just trapping buyers either way. So I do see a possibility of this little thing playing out right here. This is what I would love to see play out, and then from there we may continue up. I could be wrong, and we could possibly start continuing the move now, but this is just what I would like to see as far as a confirmation. So, um, will they continue running? I'm not too sure, but if they do, this run is going to be heavy. And the reason for that, the previous run was very heavy. So I think they're not, I don't think that they are done. Right now, this is going to be what's considered a consolidation zone. All this area here would be considered a consolidation zone. And then we would have your first run up, your second run up, which is also why it's telling me it's not done. I do think we still have a third run to go. Um, I do think we are possibly still setting up for that third run. Right now, at the moment, it is a possibility for a setup. Ideally, I'd love for bullish moves to be above the 50, but once they dip down to these extremes, there is a possibility of reversal. I have said it before where in crypto, sometimes the extremes don't mean much, but when they dip again into what that little area that I like to call liquidity grab inside of RSI, just based off back testing on Bitcoin specifically, that's what tends to happen. They dip into that pool and then from there they run. So we'll see how this plays out. I do believe that this is going to be still a bullish sentiment. I think the market overall is still going to continue bullish. So we'll see how this plays out. Guys, if you have any project you want reviewed, just drop it in the comments. I'm more than happy to get that done for you guys. Make sure to turn on your notifications so you don't miss a single update. But most importantly, smash that subscribe button so you do not miss the bull run. Guys, again, thanks for watching. If you have a project you want reviewed, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.